Today we'll be talking about avaleha. Avaleha is a semi-solid preparation. It is also called as leha, rasakriya or ghana. Avaleha word is derived from the word liyasavadane, where liya means licked and asavadane means good taste. The formulation, a semi-solid formulation which has been licked is called as avaleha. The formulation which can be leaked by tongue is called avaleha. The formulations and the preparations processes were so designed to make them more and more assimilable to the human body. Avaleha is one of them. When a baby starts growing, it first drinks mother's milk, and after that, the next form of food advised to consume is by leaking. This is only because the medicine in the avaleha or leha form gets easily assimilated in the body tissue, as digestion of avaleha starts right from the tongue or mouth. Method of preparation: avaleha contain dravya dravya, that is aqueous medium, kasaya or swarasa, madhur dravya, sugar candy or jaggery, prakshepa dravya, and sneha dravya, lipid medium, that is ghee or oil. We have to prepare it as per the Ayurvedic text, and if the quantities are not given, then dravya we have to take 4 parts. Madhur dravya, if it is sugar candy, we have to take 4 parts, and if jaggery, 2 parts. Prakshepa dravya, 1 part, and sneha dravya, lipid medium as required, that is ghee and oil. So method of preparation: take the sugar and dissolve in water, or the madhur dravya in water, boil it, and if it has any foreign matter, then filter it. Separately, we have prepared the aqueous medium, that is dravya dravya. Kasaya is prepared, and it is reduced, its consistency is increased, and then the kasaya and the madhur dravya is mixed, and it is boiled. It is boiled, and we have to check uh, the consistency of the paka which is going to form. So that is called as asana paka lakshana. So the pak should have a tantu matva, that is thread like appearance. It should have apsu majjati, that is when we put it in water, if we take a water in a beaker and if we put a drop of paka in it, then it should sink, and it should have stiratva, that is stability of the content which is added. And once this paka lakshana is is achievable, or when the pak near the pak lakshana, we have to add the lipid medium in it. And after that, when the pak lakshana, we can see we have to remove it from the fire. All the processes we are going to carry out on the mild fire with the continuous stirring. And once the pak lakshana, this tantu matva, apsu majjati and stiratva is observed, we have to remove it from the fire, and we'll be adding into prakshepa dravya, and we'll be mixing it properly. And at the end, if honey is given in the Ayurvedic text in the formulation, then at the end, after cooling it, we are going to add the honey in it. And after that, Siddha Lakshana, or this is again the evaluation parameter, then it should have a Anguli Mudra. It is also called as Pidito Mudra. If we take it in the finger's imprint should be there on that formulation. Then it should have a typical smell or typical color, taste should be there. And that is Varnodha Bhava, that is typical color, Rasodha Bhava, that is taste, Gandhudha Bhava, that is typical smell. Whatever the drug which we are use here, a typical smell must be should be get to that avaleha, and it should have a sukhamarda, that is it should be soft to roll. The example of avaleha is chavanprash. The method what we saw, that boiling the Madhur Dravya, that is sugar or sugar candy or jaggery, whatever mentioned in the Ayurvedic text, we have to take that. Then kasaya we are mixing and we are boiling it. But there are some formulation where we need a special treatment. For example, Chyawanprash. In case of Chyawanprash, we have to prepare the paste of amlaki. We have to remove the seed and we have to prepare the paste of amlaki, and we have to fry this in ghee before putting it into the pak of or the madhur dravya. So for some formulation there is special treatment is required, but majority of the formulations are prepared using this dravya dravya, madhur dravya, pakshepa dravya, and sneha dravya, the method which is already mentioned here. Thank you.